Now do this real quick. Take your hands, start rubbing them together like this. If you're doing warmth going on there, what's that called? Friction, right. So see, that word right there is a Greek term that kind of is like friction. It's called diatribo. In English, we have the word diatribe. What happens when two beings come into contact and they rub each other the wrong way, it's a diatribe. But in Greek, it's when two things come together, both are forever changed, because part of this comes off on this, and part of this comes off on this. There's a lesson for that. It doesn't matter if you're a mentor and a protege rubbing off on one another. The lesson is this: be careful who you rub up against, because they will rub off on you. Let me give you a very negative example. How many of you remember the movie Scarface? Al Pacino? Raise them high. I want to make sure I'm talking to the right audience here. Okay, like 5 people have seen it with me. Okay, so I don't want to offend the rest of you. But that movie, I was in high school when it came out. It was known for gratuitous violence. It was known for glorification of the Miami drug culture and the generous dropping of the F-bomb. 206 times during that movie, they dropped the F-bomb. That's one F-bomb every 29 seconds. When I left that movie, I sat there in the parking lot with my friend, and we were looking at each other, and I finally said, "That was effing awesome." And he said, "Effing A." And that's the thing, because when we got to my house, my mom asked me what we were doing, and I said, "It's none of your effing business." And she knocked me into next week. My sweet Arkansas mother never dropped the F-bomb, and she could have. I went to a Christian school. I was isolated from the F-bomb. I just thought it had a great ring to it. Because you can make it a noun, a gerund, a verb, you can make it an adjective. It just added flavor to everything. And it took me a long time to get that word out of my effing vocabulary. Automatic, because I rubbed up against it. My church never used it, my school never used it, my friends never used it, but I rubbed up against the wrong word, and it took me a while to get rid of it. That same stink happens when you rub up against the wrong person, because they will rub off on you.